Hey, you guys, Deb Horn here with Living on Two Wheels on YouTube. Wanted to talk to you real quick about a situation with this new Ridstar Q20. A very easy to solve problem. When you get this thing, you're going to take it for a ride, or if you even watch some of the videos where people unbox it and take it for a ride, you're going to hear this rattle. There's a constant rattle, and it's coming from under the seat. Now, if you look under the seat, what's under there? Well, there is the controller box, and this is what it looks like. Let me get the clicks going. They have a box under the seat. The seat you can remove with six 10 millimeter bolts, nuts that you just have to take off with a little wrench, and you're in under the seat. And what you see is the controller is just sitting in there. There's no attempt to stabilize it. It's just sitting in there with a bunch of other wires sitting in that plastic box. And you can see right there, this is kind of how I saw it when I first took the seat off. Just that controller just sitting there. Now, so that's what's rattling. Now, we don't want to obstruct the controller. If you'll notice, it does have some cooling fins on it. You don't want this thing to get hot. I mean, you could think, hey, I'll just wrap this thing with bubble wrap. Well, that would stop the rattle, but it also might kill the controller, so we don't want to do that. There was a piece of packing material in the box with the Q20. I think this was around the disc brake or something. And so what we wanted to do was at the back of the controller there, that's where we found the rattle was. Now, before we found that, I'll just tell you, in the bottom of the tray, we sat one layer of small bubble wrap, one layer of cardboard, and that is still in there, and it does help against the bottom, but that did not stop the rattle. The rattle is occurring up here near that top. And so if anywhere, this is where the rattle is, I'll just tell you. And so we wanted an L-shaped piece of material that would stop the rattle, and we found it in the packing material right there. We got it. There it is. And so here's what we did. We just tucked it in right behind there. And so you'll see that thing is now still mostly open, but it's now trapped in there with that piece of packing material. That right there stopped the rattle. Man, it made the bike completely quiet, unbelievably solid. When you don't hear a rattle, the thing feels 10 times more solid to you because it's not rattling underneath you. So you want to get rid of the Ridstar Rattle, make you a piece like that. And then the short part of the L is on the back side, and then it came over. And so that's kind of how we got to right there. So anyway, man, that right there solved the problem. The thing is ready to ride. Kitty loves it. I appreciate you spending some time with me. That's how to get rid of the Ridstar Q20 Rattle. You'll love it after making that quick change to it.